tell y'all the rest. I hope y'all have a good day. Subscribe, let me hit that bell. It's gonna go ding, and leave a comment what you should think on the next video I should do. So I went outside with Aubrey. She's a YouTuber. I went outside with her. And she had to go somewhere, so I went aside, actually. And then I started watching TikToks. And then I made this YouTube video. But if y'all want, I can tell y'all the rest in the next video. Peace out. Leave a comment what you think I should do in the next video. Bye bye.